I'm Sarah LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I just want to share with you guys some of the heat train hair products that I've been looking at that I plan on purchasing in the near future. I did a video pretty similar to this, so I have that linked for you guys to check out. All those products I did end up getting. And if you look through some of my videos, you can see some of my reviews on some of those products. But this is a nice little new list that I have discovered and want to share with you guys. Let me know if you have any of these products and what your thoughts about them are, just in case something is not really that good, so that way I don't have to spend my money on it, or if there's some products that I mentioned that you're also interested in getting as well. Pero bueno, nada más a decir. Okay, so the first thing that was actually on my list was the OLAPLEX number 8. Just because I am such a huge fan of the OLAPLEX products that I knew I had to try the number 8, and I ended up just going ahead and getting the number 8 already, and I've done a video about that. So if you want to see my review about it, make sure you click on the video that I'll have linked. I'm not going to say too much about it in this video, so just make sure you check that one out if you think you want to purchase it and want to see a review about it on a heat trained hair natural. This next thing that I want, I actually never thought that I would want this, but it is a hair steamer, and this one is specifically by L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Steam Pod, and the reason that I want this one is because I saw the results that the models they use were getting, particularly girls who had nice kinky curly hair, and how straight and sleek and shiny it was, and the fact that it straightens the hair with a lot less damage because it's using steam. I'm like, bro, I need to try this. So that is on my list. Unfortunately, the price point is very high, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to budget that out. But I also just want to try and see if straightening your hair with steam is actually going to give you lasting results, because in my mind it doesn't make sense to me, because steam puffs up your hair. So I don't know, I just really want to try it, and if it works, you guys, you know how amazing that would be to be able to straighten your hair with so much less damage than using a regular flat iron. So the Steam Pod 2 also has a brush inside of it, so it helps to really straighten out your strands while the steam is going through it to help straighten it out as well. So that L'Oreal Steam Pod is definitely on my list. Not sure when I'll get it, but I'm going to get it at some point, and I will do a review about it for you guys. So the next product that I want to try is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Shampoo. And I have been such a huge fan of Camille Rose within the past few months, if you guys haven't noticed, but her products have just been working wonders with my hair and its growth and its health. I still love Mielle Organics. Those two would be my favorite brands at the moment for heat training hair. But I want to specifically try the Camille Rose shampoo because I haven't tried a Camille Rose shampoo yet. But I do love ginger just in general, but ginger for the hair helps with stimulating the follicles for hair growth, and you guys know that is one of my major goals for this year, is trying to really grow my hair as long as I can. I think I said 4 inches, so I really want to be able to get it to that point by the end of the year. And it also helps to restore moisture in the hair. So the next thing I want to get is the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. And a while back I did a video just about, I guess, minimizing frizz for the hair, and someone had commented that the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum is amazing with controlling frizz, and I looked it up, and just all the reviews for the most part that I read was just like, this stuff is a miracle in the bottle if you want to combat frizz. So definitely have to try that for the summertime. I'm going to start off with the serum, but I think they have a whole line of shampoo and conditioner. Don't quote me on that. If they do, I'm definitely going to try that whole line, and we'll see if it actually helps to combat frizz. I do hear that the ingredients aren't that great in the serum though, so it's something that you probably have to use sparingly. But if it's something that you can use here and there, like if you have a special occasion or event during the summertime that you just really want to make sure your hair is not frizzing and staying nice, this is probably the thing to try. Again, I'm going to get the serum, and if it comes with the shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that, I'm going to just try the whole line and let you guys know what I think. But that is really on the top of my list to make sure that I have it for this summer, since hair frizz is something that I still struggle with. And the last thing on my heat train hair list is actually weave. I am a huge fan of weave. I do love my natural hair, but I love giving it a break. I love taking a break from it, not having to be bothered with it, and just giving myself a good old-fashioned sew-in. I know that a lot of people who like my channel don't really want to wear weaves. They're trying to figure out how to just maintain their natural hair, which is totally fine. But for me and my lifestyle, the reason I wear my hair heat trained, number one, is because I don't have time every day to try to figure out how I'm going to style my naturally curly, wavy hair. It's just easier for me to wrap my hair at night, wake up, brush it out, and keep it moving. It's even easier when you have a weave in your head, because when it's time to wash it, you don't have to re-straighten it out really, because it's already pretty much in a straightened state. You just wash it, let it dry, run the flat iron through big chunks as opposed to little sections like I do with my natural hair, and you can just be on your way. So anyway, the reason I love weave so much is because it helps me to save time, and for me it gives me like another little fun look. It helps me to trying to keep pursuing to take care of my natural hair, because I'm like, I want my hair to be as long as this weave, so let me make sure that I'm caring for it underneath, and it's also giving my hair a break from the heat styling as well. So I will link the weave that I always use every time I wear the weave on here. You guys are asking, where's the weave from? It looks so natural, and it blends perfectly with my hair. And you can literally get the weave and keep it for years. The reason I want to get some new weave is just because I want it longer. I don't know, I think I kind of just want to be a little extra this summer with the hair. So bueno, that is what I have thus far. Let me know if you guys have any products on your heat trained hair wish list that you're trying to purchase, or if you have any of the products that I mentioned and what your experience has been with them. So yeah, until the next video.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.